I'm really excited about this one. I don't know about you.
I'm excited to see the outcome.
No!
How is that gonna grind?
Let me show you here.
No! It worked.
I don't even know what we're doing right now, but my dogs are so ferocious. Literally, the only toy that they can have is a toy that is literally, it's a brick. It's like a rock. Like rock, you could throw it at the ground, it's a rock. And they chewed it in half already. It's supposed to be indestructible.
So Dan, you have no idea what we're doing today?
Not really.
Dan, do you have any idea what we're doing today?
Gingerbread house or something?
All right, Dan, we are doing the world's first 100% gingerbread house ledge. House? Has to be, is it hollow?
I don't know. Ah, check this out. They've only restocked 2 since we sold them out.
Wow. I'm trying to imagine how this would work.
What do you think, Dan?
All the pieces on it are uneven.
Okay, my problem with this is that it's supposed to be the world's first 100% gingerbread ledge. So then we just buy all the boxes, we put everything in
Triangle pieces and stuff.
Just stack them all.
Then we just find the one with the most square pieces.
That's what I'm looking for, but even this one's like that.
Oh, they got the best M&Ms here. You know what, Dan? I think I have an idea. What if we buy a bunch of the pre-made houses and then we use them to frame it, and we buy a few more regular ones and just line the top? They're hollow, but these are pre-made, so they're like solid concrete at this point.
Maybe we should just open one and see.
I'm pretty sure if you land on that with your skateboard, it's gonna explode.
If we land on anything with the skateboard, it's gonna explode. Here. Feel it. That's way more solid than if we're gonna make it ourselves. You get what I mean?
Did they use actual cement?
I feel like it, right? So I think what we do is we get them like this, and we just go like rows of 2.
Put the sheets on top.
And then, yes, exactly. All right, well, that'll do it for now. I think we're gonna go to another Target and get some more of these I don't know how to speak. I think we're gonna go to another Target and get some more of the pre-made ones, and then we will go back to the Braille house and see what we can do here with our constructional house building skills. Okay, sorry, we're at a different Target now, and they have freaking full giant gingerbread men.
That's a really uneven shape though.
It is, but we could do a second layer on top, and this is more uniform than the triangles at least, right?
Not than the squares, but if he broke his arms off.
This is the kind of Christmas torture you enjoy, don't you, Dan? All right, we came to the right.
We went to the wrong Target first. We should have come here. Look at all these pre-built ones.
How many do you need?
We have 6.
I only got 1 change.
The most unnecessary. Oh, good save. All right, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Dan. It's raining outside. It's nice and dark. You need to put on some lights.
Dan,
Doesn't even know if they
I was calling you earlier because it's raining and it's dark outside. You need some of these. No, you better keep that. Dan, don't you dare, Dan! Don't you dare! Don't you dare! That was $5.
I'm really excited about this one. I don't know about you.
I'm excited to see the outcome.
Me too.
Yeah, he's gonna break.
It's gonna break, but we can do our best to make it last as long as we can.
So my plan from here is to get a layer of plywood on the bottom, just so we can actually pick it up. And then we will line all of the gingerbread houses on the bottom, and then we will layer them on top, and then we will decorate.
You know what you're doing here?
What?
You're destroying an entire village of gingerbread people.
Do you see one gingerbread man here?
Not yet. Ew, I thought these were gummy. They're hard as a rock.
And there we go.
Stop eating it. Both of you.
They're really
There's not
good.
gonna be house left.
Oh wait, I got a whole piece of frosting. Look.
Don't. Oh. Put it back. Put it on the thing and don't eat it.
All right, fine.
That was delicious.
I'll take your word for it.
Oh, this looks nice.
What is your plan for this?
Dan, I don't know yet, okay? But we're gonna figure it out. Hand me another one.
Why are these even a thing? Someone's like, I want to eat some food, but I want...
Holy crap, he took a giant bite. He damn near bit the whole roof off.
Stop eating.
Why are these a thing?
Hey, is there like a notice that says "Do not eat"?
It's a gingerbread.
Why would I say that? It's food.
I thought they were just made for decoration.
For eating.
Okay, so now we have to cement all of these down.
You gotta Photoshop the bites back into them.
Oh, this is real nice. All right.
Is that a bit too much?
Nope. Just enough. Oh, it's gonna work! It's gonna work!
Damn it. Hold up.
Wait, Uzi, Actually, film this.
I'm shook right now.
Film this. How long is it gonna take him to find out?
Find out what? Doesn't work? Is this the cap? I don't know. I'm not a easy build connoisseur. I don't know about this.
He's not an expert piper.
I don't know how this works.
I worry about him sometimes.
If I was this company and had a cap on here, which they had a cap, you should just be able to take the cap off and use it, but no.
I think this is definitely the most fun I've ever had building one of these.
I swear, if there's another trick to this, I'm done.
You need to cut it down here, or it's thicker.
I'm done.
Why are you scared?
It's gonna explode.
Did you say blow up?
Why you guys gotta give me such a hard time for... I'm not a froster, okay? I don't know anything about frosting.
All right, this last one has to be placed perfectly, people.
Whoa! Just kidding. I had to line it up. We gotta frost the corners.
Are you still? You haven't opened one. Wait, what? You're not gonna see those.
I know. Just for added structural support. Dad, what? What are you doing?
I'm trying to decorate. I thought you said that was gum.
It is gum.
You ate it?
Yeah.
You swallowed it? I thought it was supposed to be gum.
It is gum.
Now what?
We have made a very large mess. It's already pretty much dried though.
It was important for to les maliors resultats. You hear that? It's not good.
Say again.
It means important for best results.
What did you say before that?
Said this.
Okay.
Wait, what are you doing with the rest of them?
Don't worry, Dan. It's okay. No! Oh no!
Eviscerated.
Oh no!
I told you we should have put it this way.
Hey,
Excuse me, I'm look out for your poor engineering over here.
the other good thing is too, if you put them this way, you need less of them.
Let's get to frosting, all right?
Why are you frosting my side? You have a side close to you right
I'm
there.
in frosting mode.
Stop eating the brick.
That is absolutely perfect.
This isn't a gingerbread house, this is a whole resort. It's like a gingerbread hotel.
Something doesn't add up here.
Well, you gotta
What?
fill all the gaps.
They're totally cut terribly.
Welcome to the Ginger Lodge. Please enjoy your stay.
It's very ugly. We need to add some color to it.
On my back. I just got sharp pain in my back.
All right, Dan.
The moment of truth. Oh my God. Now we must move this.
No, we can't move it.
We gotta move it.
Why don't we wait till it dries?
We gotta move it.
All right. I got my side. Oh, all right.
Oh, we're good.
All right, up slowly. Okay. Over to the table. This is the scariest thing. This is like Cake Boss when they have to deliver the cake. Just going right on the table right here. All right. It's how we do it. This is the world's first 100% gingerbread ledge. Not a house, a ledge. Here we go. Delicious. Predictions? I think 3 hours of work is gonna go immediately down the drain as soon as Aaron pops onto this thing, but it's okay, it was fun. All right, Dans. We must very carefully, oh, I don't have it. We must very carefully present the gingerbread ledge to our guests.
How is that gonna grind?
Let me show you, here, let me show you. Let me take you on the grand tour.
Hold on, I gotta get this from my gram.
This is the Gingerbread Hotel.
Tell me about it.
So let me tell you why I think it's gonna work. These bottom houses that are the support, we did not build ourselves.
No.
Therefore,
so it must work.
it must
If you
work
didn't
because
build it,
we
it
were
might
not
actually
involved.
work.
I also thought this.
What?
It's been out for a while, so
Yeah.
they're probably stale.
Yeah, I agree. So all
Crooked grind?
8 of the houses, or there might be 12, are pre-made, and
Yeah.
they were solid as a rock.
Really?
Already. And then all the other supports that we built were added on top, layered on, cemented in with the royal icing. And
Royal
they've been-
icing?
And they've been out since Wednesday.
All right, let's give it a try.
You're a brave man. Okay. So Aaron, I must ask,
What?
what do you think of the constructions of the decoration? Are you
Beautiful,
impressed?
amazing.
Thank
I'd
you.
like to live in there.
Thank you very
and
much.
eat my way out. of the
Uzi and
house.
I ate probably a whole gingerbread house on our own.
Really?
Yeah, they're very good.
I feel like this needs to be Wallied. Like,
Yeah.
Mowgli, what do you want to do? Rochambeau? Okay, it's me. Let's go! First try!
It fully worked, but I'm so sad. I literally built this for like 5 hours.
I kind of want to wally that. Hey, let me wally it. Gingerbread. What are you gonna wally?
Oh my! Oh!
Manza, let me wally the roof.
Yes.
Dump trucks.
Wally the roof. Go. You want to Wally this, right? Is that what you were talking?
Well, there we go. I guess we put this here.
Yeah, Wally that. Oh my word! It worked! That could not have gone better. I don't know what to say.
I mean, count it? Okay. Can I try a front one?
Uh-oh, hold up. Damage report, check this out. The front half of the house has chipped off. Here it is, right here. Let's just put it back in place.
A little more commitment. You would have had.
The house has been perfectly preserved.
people.
This is the foundation for rebuilding.
Front people
If
shove.
you broke it, Dan, that would have been the meanest thing you've ever done to me.
I was wondering why he all swept it into a pile but left it where you land. You landed on the pile and then slid
I thought
out.
it broke. It's still good. It's still
Okay, I got you, Mowgli. You got it. Go ahead. Nose point. Oh my word! Who slow-mo'd that? How he did that and still landed on the board was amazing. Well played, sir.
Have you guys ever seen the movie Twister?
Yeah.
This looks like the wreckage of everything.
Just kind of did a twister under it. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you learn how to skateboard. We got you covered at brailleskateboarding.com.